In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix can't activate Windows on this device as we can't connect to your organization here in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to proceed here at the button search bar and type for CMD. Once you've typed that, please wait until you would be able to see a best matched here in this window, which is a command prompt system before we proceed. Once it's here, please navigate to the right side of it and please wait until you will get to see an option called Run as Administrator. So click on it the moment you have seen it. And in a few seconds, you would be able to receive a notification where your user account control would ask you to say yes, just proceed with yes so that you can continue and running the system. So from here, you need to type a command text which is slmgr, then space forward slash skms, then space kms 8 dot msguide.com. Okay. Again, it is slmgr space forward slash skms space kms8.msguide.com, and then hit the enter key in your keyboard. And the moment you've hit that, please wait until it would be done. Okay, so don't worry because I'll be including this command text in the description box below. And once you are done, close the window, navigate here at the bottom search bar, type for CMD. Once you've typed that, please wait again until you will be able to see a best match, okay? And once it's here, go with Run as Administrator. Since your account control would ask you again to say yes, proceed with yes so that you can continue. So this time, you need to type the second command text, which again, I'll be including at the description box below. It is slmgr space forward slash ATO. Again, it is slmgr space forward slash ATO, and then hit the enter key in your keyboard. And please wait until it would be done, okay? And once you are done, close the window and restart your computer. So navigate here at the start and then go with your power menu options, click on it, and go with restart. So there is a need to restart your computer in order to take the actions into an effect. In order to make any changes, restart your computer, and the moment you restarted it, your problem will be fixed. Okay? So that's it. Hopefully this video had helped you a lot. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.